Ready, everybody! My name is Andy Valdez. What I do for CMC, I'm the quality supervisor. We are the last persons who are touching the products before the customers get in. We are very conscious. What we're doing is very important. I want to make sure like everybody is getting the best quality they can have in their hands coming from CMC. Outside of work, I'm a family guy, but besides that, I love acting. I work a lot with the community. I have 3 years consecutive being the best entertainment from the Latinos Business Award here in Santa Barbara. Tell my team, you always need to think about like you are doing what you really want to buy, working as a customer, of course as an inspector too as well, but making sure you have the quality you want to get on your hands when you buy the product.
Yes, thank you. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad.
I think you feel very important because what you're doing is you are helping to someone. In the worst case scenario, when it's a natural disasters or an accidents, it doesn't matter what kind of rescue or field is. They're gonna wake up in the middle of the night and they're gonna save probably my friend or my sister or my mom or my daughter or my wife, like just because it's their work. That's why for me the mission of CMC to helping save lives is very, very important. And it's something like as employee from CMC, you are very, very conscious, and then you are very meticulous in what product you are doing. Every time you see what we do in the company meetings, you feel super inspired and super proud when you know you help to save lives. That's make me feel like I'm working on the correct place, and I really want to be here like forever, because CMC is a great place to work. I really like to start the meetings with ready, everybody, because I think is one of the best parts. I'm ringing the bell like we are ready. It's like always we are in CMC, and like I said, CMC is a great place to work and great team, because you're always gonna have a turnaround and somebody's gonna be helping you.